Looking for a compact computing solution without breaking the bank? The best mini PC under $200 offers surprising power, sleek design, and energy efficiency. Perfect for home, office, or streaming, it fits anywhere with ease and style. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. GMKtec Mini PC under $200. The GMKtec NUC Box G3S Mini PC offers impressive performance for its compact size and affordable price. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N95 processor, featuring 4 cores, 4 threads, and a burst speed of up to 3.4 GHz, it delivers a 36% performance improvement compared with comparable processors like the N100 or N5105, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and Gigabit Ethernet, making it versatile for multiple devices. The upgraded Intel UHD graphics supports 4K playback and AV1 decoding, allowing users to enjoy movies, games, and dual display productivity. Small, efficient, and reliable, the GMKtec NukeBox G3S is perfect for anyone seeking a portable, high-performing mini PC under $200. Number 2. GMKtec N95 Mini PC under $200. The GMKtec G3S N95 Mini PC is a powerhouse in a small form factor, designed for both home and office use. Its 12th Gen Intel N95 processor features 4 cores, 4 threads, and a 3.4 GHz burst frequency, delivering up to 36% higher performance and competing low-power CPUs, such as N100 and N1505. This makes it excellent for multitasking, office applications, and home entertainment. Comes with Intel UHD graphics capable of AV1 decoding for flawless video playback. Its connectivity options include USB 3.2, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 5, and Gigabit Ethernet, making it compatible with monitors, printers, projectors, and other peripherals. Lightweight and compact, the GMKtec N95 Mini PC is energy efficient, versatile, and capable of handling a wide range of computing tasks without compromising on performance, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious users seeking a reliable mini desktop. Number 3. Bmax Mini PC under $200. The Bmax Mini PC offers a remarkable balance of performance and portability, powered by the Intel Celeron J3355 dual-core processor, capable of speeds up to 2.5 GHz, delivering roughly 25% better performance than earlier models. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and compatible with Linux or Ubuntu, supporting dual 4K HDMI displays and Intel HD Graphics 500, it provides high-definition visuals, ideal for home office setups, stock trading, or media streaming. Measuring only 4.2 by 4.1 by 1.4 inches and weighing 0.49 pounds, the ultra-compact design fits in tight spaces and can even be mounted behind a monitor using the included VESA bracket. With a quiet fan and heatsink system, the Bmax Mini PC ensures reliable, low-noise operation, making it perfect for users who want a portable, energy-efficient, and versatile computing solution under $200. Number 4. Binxarn Mini PC under $200. The Binxarn MN370 Mini PC combines compact design and reliable performance for home, office, and entertainment needs. Powered by the Intel Pentium N3700 quad-core processor with a turbo boost of 2.4 GHz and Intel HD graphics up to 700 MHz, it delivers stable and consistent computing power for everyday tasks, streaming, and productivity applications. With built-in dual-band Wi-Fi 802.11 AC and Bluetooth 4.2, it offers reliable wireless connections and minimal interference. Multiple interfaces, including Type-C, HDMI, USB 3.1/2.0 ports, and Gigabit Ethernet ensure versatile connectivity with peripherals, printers, and office equipment. Its low-power design and ventilated chassis maintain optimal operating temperatures while running quietly. Overall, the Binxarn Mini PC under $200 is a space-saving, energy-efficient, and portable option for users seeking dependable mini desktop performance. Number 5. Chatreey Mini PC under $200. The Chatreey Mini PC provides a compact yet capable computing solution featuring the Intel Celeron N3150 processor with 4 cores, 4 threads, and a boost clock up to 2.08 GHz, making it ideal for work, entertainment, or educational purposes. The Mini PC supports Windows 11 Pro and allows self-installation of Linux or Ubuntu, offering versatile OS compatibility. Built-in Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 ensure stable wireless connectivity for browsing, streaming, and peripheral connections. Its ultra-compact 11.2 by 11.2 by 3.8 centimeter body, crafted from durable ABS thermoplastic, can be mounted on a monitor or wall using the included VESA bracket, saving desktop space. Energy efficient and lightweight at 360 grams, the Chatreey Mini PC is perfect for home, office, or educational use, combining portability, performance, and convenience at an affordable under $200 price point. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.